Hello everyone, this is Umesh. Welcome to my channel Education for All. Today we will study about a interesting chapter that is fun with magnets. Fun with magnets. Let us see the discovery of magnets. How magnet discovered. There was a man in Greece whose name was Magnus, right? He was a shepherd man. Every time he was going to the mountains areas to grazing his shepherd, and when he was going to grazing the shepherd, he was taking a stick on his hands to control the shepherds, right? You must have seen in your village some people are going to graze cows and goats, shepherds. They're taking a stick to control the cows, goats and shepherds. So when he was going to grazing the shepherds, he was taking the stick, and at tip of the stick there was an iron piece, right? Iron piece attached to the stick. And when he was grazing, one time what happened? His stick was directly attached to the rock of the mountains, and he applied so much force to pick it out from the rock. And on that time he called that rock as a magnetite. Magnetite is also an ore of iron, right? From magnetite later discovered on his name, that is magnets, right? That is magnets. Magnet is a substance that is which attracts the magnetic substance. Generally, there are three types of substances, that is um, paramagnet, ferromagnetic, paramagnetic, and diamagnetic. Right? These are the three types of substances. Right? Ferromagnetic, paramagnetic, and diamagnetic substance. What is ferromagnetic? From the word ferro, we can know that iron, right? Ferromagnetic means which is strongly attracted by the magnets, right? Which are strongly attracted, which are strongly attracted, which are strongly attracted by the magnet, right? These are ferromagnetic substances. What are these? These are iron, right? Iron is a ferromagnetic substance, right? And next one is paramagnetic. What is paramagnetic substance? Paramagnetic substance means which are not weakly attracted but partially attracted by the magnets, right? Partially attracted by the magnet. Means weakly attracted by the magnet. Right? These are partially attracted by the magnet. Right? Manganese. And last one is diamagnetic substance. Diamagnetic substances means the substances which are not attracted by the magnet. Which are not attracted by the magnet. right, which are not attracted by the magnet. These are three types of substances, that is ferromagnetic, paramagnetic, and diamagnetic substances. Then poles of the magnets. If it is a magnet, it is north pole and it is south pole, right? Poles of the magnet have two poles. One is north pole and another one is south pole, right? How can we find that this pole is north and south? We'll take a bar magnet and we'll this bar magnet will bind it in a string, and if we'll hang like this in the strings. If it is showing the direction of in our we have four directions: east, west, north and south. And if it is showing the direction of north, then we can conclude that that point is north, and that if the magnet is showing the direction of south, our general direction east, west and north, south, then we can say that it is south direction of the magnet, means south pole of the magnet. Another one is north pole of the magnet. These are the two poles of magnet. If we take the two magnets and it is north, suppose it is south, right? We say that there is two opposite poles. Two opposite poles always attract to each other, right? North and south, it will attract to each other. And two similar poles always repel to, means north north, it will repel to each other. There will be repulsions, right? And two opposite poles, north pole and south pole, attracted to each other, right? Two similar poles repulsion and two opposite poles attract to each other, right? These are the north pole and south pole of the magnets. And next one is uses of magnet. Where you use magnets, you must have seen the speakers we use in televisions and anywhere, in laptop, in radio. There we use the magnets. It is, the speaker is like this and behind this there is a magnet, right? We use magnet there, right? So this is all about the chapter fun with magnets. What is magnets, types of substances, that is paramagnetic, diamagnetic and ferromagnetic substances, and poles of the magnet, and attraction and repulsions. Thus two similar poles repel to each other and two opposite poles attract to each other of the magnets, and the uses of the magnets, where you use the magnets. Thank you.